So we absolutely love hot hatches here at Acklam, and the Golf R is definitely my favourite for several reasons. First is the performance. This is a 2-litre petrol, 320 brake horsepower, DSG 4-wheel drive. So they're very nimble, but also very easy to drive, give you that control with the 4-wheel drive. This is a 24 plate, so it's done just over 3,000 miles. And with that, you've got manufacturer's warranty until 2027, so ultimate peace of mind. But with it being so new, the car is in very good condition. The colour is Lapiz Blue, which is very popular with our customers. Very bright, but works very well with that panoramic sunroof, one of the optional extras on this. And as I've mentioned in videos in the past, 90% of customers who ring up on a Golf R ask if it has a pan roof, and this one does. The front end, you've got those IQ lights, which you see on all of the Golf Rs, but they're very bright, giving it lots of visibility at night, but then they're very cool light as well. You've also got that LED that goes across the front. Gloss black accents, which tie in very well with the upgraded 19-inch S-Roll alloy wheels. So you've got gloss black with a diamond cut edge, chrome on there, and then you've also got those bright blue brake calipers. They also come with progressive steering, just with that upgraded option, just gives you a little bit more control. Roof we've already mentioned, privacy glass, just giving it that sport and sturdy look, and then what you'll also see when we get to the back is you've got that gloss black fixed spoiler. They're obviously based on a Golf, so the practicality is another reason that the Golf R is my favourite hot hatch. You've got plenty of space in there, Isofix seats on the outer edges if you do have smaller children, and then you've got those cool blue design. You've also got ambient lighting pack on a Golf R. You do get blessed with a lot of standard spec on these that you don't get on the likes of Audis and Mercedes. Good boot space on them, and then you've also got those quad pipes to the back, just symbolising this is a Golf R, but plenty of boot space in there for luggage, suitcases, whatever it might be. These are a really user-friendly vehicle. I've already mentioned the power, but 320 brake horsepower from a car of this size, and then you partner that with a DSG gearbox, which for me is one of the smoothest available. They're just a really fun car to drive. Then when you get in, I've mentioned a couple of features, but the colour combo that works the best for me is Lapiz Blue exterior, and then you've got that nice blue accent all the way throughout, ties in even with the brake calipers and everything else that you see on there as well. When you get in, obviously it's based on a Mark 8 Golf, so there's plenty of tech and spec as standard. You've got things like heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. These would all be options on many other vehicles. The roof slides open, so it's not just a fixed roof, it physically opens. Makes quite a difference, especially on a summer day, bringing in that extra light. The ambient lighting, the media, the navigation, all controlled from the centre screen. Dead straightforward as well. It's just like an iPad basically. You can jump in on there and change the colours if you wish. Apple CarPlay, Android equivalent, also controlled from that. What I really like about the VWs now though is that your climate control and everything else is also from this screen, so gone are the days that this is just cluttered with buttons. It's just really straightforward. Even your gear shifter is just dead straight, nice little small and discreet. Pop it in reverse. You've got front and rear sensors with a visual aid, so there isn't a camera, but you don't really need one because you've got that radar up on the screen. And then you've got this lovely display. If you want to use it in the manual paddles, you can do, give it a bit more fun, but you do have plenty of performance from these. There is an R mode as well, that will change exhaust tones, which you maybe won't pick up on the microphone, but it does make quite a difference to the sound. Again, and they're just a cool, fun car, 4-wheel drive, good size, plenty of power, plenty of spec and tech, and they're also a good value now. There's not many of them around that have this kind of kit on them. There'll be the odd one out there without a roof, doesn't have the right colour choice, but again, at Acklam, we always seem to find the right colour combo, right spec, and at the right prices. So if you are interested, every other Golf R sells very quick, and this one will do exactly the same. So please contact myself, my number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.